Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you are right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So this channel is known for sharing with you financial education, that is how you can earn passive income or residual income online on daily basis. So what I have in mind to share with you today is about this particular platform called Cloudfxinvest. 10% profit in 24 hours. 10% profit in 24 hours. So we want to know how legit this platform is. Is it a platform? Is it an investment platform whereby you can venture whatever you have, or it's another scam in disguise? So this is what we are going to consider in today's video. So you just need to stay tuned to the end of this video to watch and to know the recommendation that will be given at the end of this video. But before that, I would like to tell you that this video is brought to you courtesy of LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next updates on how to make money online. If you have any question concerning this video, you can chat me up on this WhatsApp number, and also this is my email address. You can contact me through this email address, and also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making frequent announcements on how to make money online in this our Telegram channel. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is 10% profit in 24 hours with Cloudfxinvest platform review. So quickly, let me take you to the platform to show you some things that I have come in contact with. All right, so this is their website. This is their website, cloudfxinvest.online. So let me read some things through. Okay, so what this particular company is all about, according to the information that we have here, is that they mine Bitcoin. They mine Bitcoin. Start Bitcoin mining today. Join over 2 million people with the world's leading hash power provider. It's super simple. Your mining rigs are already set up and running. It is super simple. Then they call themselves the world leading hash power provider. So how are we going to establish this fact? So who are those people that give them that award? And all these things, they are just trying to attract innocent investors into this trap. I'm not saying this is scam, but anything that seems to be over promising like this, they ends up being a scam. Okay, take control of your cryptocurrency mining with Cloudfxinvest.online. Yes, it is very, very correct that you can make money in cryptocurrency, but before you do that, you must have taken some step whereby you must have done some research on that particular company that you want to venture into. But unlike this company, they are just telling us that they are in charge of cryptocurrency mining, and also they have some mining rigs. But I can tell you confidently that Bitcoin mining it's almost not in existence for now, because of the technology in blockchain, because of the blockchain technology rather. So but people, especially those people that are new to cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, they will be finding a means whereby they too can make money in Bitcoin, but unfortunately for them, they can fall into scam online investment platform. All right, so now we shouldn't take much of our time. These are the investment packages in Cloudfx. You can see we have starter plan, we have starter plus plan, light plan, we have light plan, we have light plus plan, and professional plan. And the list plan there is starter plan, and this is, it lasts for 24 hours, and the daily ROI is 10%. You can see that this is whooping high. How can a company promise us 10% profit in a day in the world of cryptocurrency. We all know that cryptocurrency is very, very volatile. It can continue going up for the next 2 hours and it can fall for the next 4 hours. So nobody can predict the movement except some professionals that are experts in this field. So for a company to be promising us 10% in 24 hours, you can see that this is over promising. This is just to attract investors into this platform. So, and they can even start paying. They can pay for the first 1, 2, 3 months, and after they have achieved their aim, they can run through the thing here, and they are going to cut away thousands of dollars or millions of dollars of investors' fund. So this type of investment, they are over promising. So you should watch out. You should be very, very careful with this type of investment platform, because they just tell you that they are into cryptocurrency. Another thing that they are saying is they give us some dummy pictures. How will you put the testimony of a company that is just starting? You put it in the website and you expect people to believe them. So, and all these people, are they true? Are they the investors of this company? So how can we verify how can we verify their identity? So these are the things that they are somehow alarming in this platform. We just need to be very, very careful. I'm not saying that it's a scam, but I will never recommend such. And besides, there is no how you can. They don't have any social media and the whereby you can contact them. There is no Facebook page. There is no YouTube channel. There is no Instagram page whereby you can contact them except this email. So this is very, very alarming and it's somehow suspicious to me. My recommendation is that just stay away from something like this, though after you have done your own due diligence research, and if you've discovered that it's something that you can give a try, because there's no bad thing in giving something a try. But I just want you to know that it is better for you to have a calculated risk. I don't see this company paying in the next 5-6 months. So they can pay for the first 2-3 months, and after they have achieved their aim, then they surely shut down, because they don't have a substantive program that they are doing. So, and what they say to be doing, there is no proof for it. Alright, so this is what I have for you about this platform called Cloudfxinvest.online. Actually, it is one of my viewers that sent this to me to review before he or she dive into this. So for this, I'm using this opportunity to tell you that for me, I can never recommend this. And if you think that you can give it a try, then just put what you can afford to lose there, because you need to be responsible for your action. Alright, I'm using this medium to tell you that if you also have a particular platform like this that you want to dive into, just take your time to forward it to me so that I can review it for you and to know the right decision to take on it. Alright, this is where I'm going to stop for today. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It is very, very important. Click on the notification bell and also share with your friends and family. If truly it has added value to you, then you should like this video and share with your friends and family. Okay, meet me in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day ahead, and bye for now.